In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download high-quality images from Pinterest. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab the best-looking version of a photo right from Pinterest using the built-in options without any extra tools. First, open your web browser and go to Pinterest.com. Give the page a moment to load so you can clearly see the pins displayed in a grid. This works best on a desktop or laptop browser, but the idea is the same across devices. Make sure you're on the Pinterest homepage or your feed so you can browse freely and find the image you want. Next, select a pin and click it to open it fully. This step is important for quality. The image you see in the grid is a smaller preview. Clicking it opens the pin's detail page, which loads the highest available version that Pinterest provides. Once you're on the detail page, wait a second for the image to finish rendering so you aren't downloading a partially loaded version. If the pin is a carousel or has multiple images, make sure the one you want is the one that's currently displayed. Now, look for the three dots, often labeled as the More Options menu. You'll usually find this near the top right of the pin or close to the Save and Send buttons, depending on your layout. Click the three dots to open the menu. This is where Pinterest hides useful actions specific to the pin you're viewing. From that menu, choose Download Image. When you click it, your browser will either save the file automatically to your default downloads folder or prompt you to choose a location. If your browser asks, pick a folder you'll remember, confirm the file name, and make sure the format shows as JPG or PNG. The final quality depends on what the creator originally uploaded, but opening the pin first gives you the best shot at the highest resolution Pinterest makes available. If you don't see the download option, it may be disabled for that pin. In that case, respect the creator's settings and consider reaching out for permission or using content that's clearly allowed for download. After saving, you can open the file and zoom in to check sharpness or view the image properties to see the resolution. For best results, always download from the pin's detail page rather than right-clicking a small thumbnail. That's all there is to it. Go to Pinterest, open the pin you want, use the three-dot menu, and select Download Image. Simple, fast, and high quality.